Toro Fries. So many people. So, paano tayo dito? Ano kaya yung Toro Fries? As much as I want bumili, dahil tao. Here, Dubai chocolate. How much is that? Window. So many things to eat, but no dine-in. Where can I eat that? You buy and then you eat while walking. So many foods. I like to eat, but no place to eat. See? Meron silang ganyan, pero wala silang dining area. So, paano? Bagsak natin ito, McDonald's or KFC. Not so many foods. Wala kasing dining area kaya hindi ako makapag-decide kung bibili ako or hindi. Layo pa ng uwian ko kung bibili ako ng take-out. Layo ng uwian ko. Walang dining area. Gusto ko sana kumain dito kasi hindi siya ganun kamahal.